Ladies and gentlemen, we are inside the Lotus Emira with our full titanium exhaust system, and I am very, very excited. So we still retain the factory valves as of right now. So we're in tour mode with the valves closed, but as soon as you bump it into sport or track mode, you can audibly hear the difference with the valves opening. All right, let's get to it. And when you're in that track mode, you get a lot of the overrun as well, which is a lot of fun. So much more drama and excitement now with this full valve exhaust system. Everything that was enjoyable about it before is just amplified. But it really does have a good tone to the exhaust as well. Besides the pops and cracks and all the other drama and excitement, it really gives a nice smooth tone to this 4-cylinder. But we like pops and cracks. The blow-off valve behind me as well. But, you know, in Valvetronic fashion, if you want to just cruise in your Lotus Emira, you put it back in drive, the valve's closed, put the windows up. This car sounds like it's bone stock in here. Let's throw this thing back in track, back in manual mode. All that drama comes back. This thing out all the way to 7,000 RPM, you really just get such a smooth and exotic tone. This car looks very exotic and turns a lot of heads on the road. You need the sound to match that.